Hi there, it's a beautiful morning to everyone. It's me once again, your friend, your best buddy right here, Luel Labalde, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, guys, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that every time I post new videos, you guys will be automatically be updated. Today's episode, guys, we will be talking more about verbs. As we all know, that verb is a word or a combination of words that indicates action or condition. It is actually part of the sentence that tells what the subject does or what the subject performs in a sentence. And verb is also the heart of the sentence. There are many categories or types of verbs in a sentence, as we all know that English language is so rich. But for today, we will be focusing much on the use of the base form of the verb. I'd like to stress once again that verb is part of the sentence that tells us what the subject is doing or what the subject does or perform in the sentence. So I'll be giving you examples, guys, so that you will be capacitated or you will be able to know when to use the base form of the verb. Again, in choosing the verb, it is really important for us, guys, to know about the number of the subject, whether a subject is singular and plural. So it is really important, guys, so that we will not be mistaken as to what specific or appropriate verb to be used. Well, for today, we will not be using other forms of the verbs, but we will concentrate more on the use of the base form of the verbs. So what are examples of the base form of the verbs? Okay, so verbs that states an action. Play, dance, move. These are basic examples of action words. And the verbs that I mentioned tell something about what the subject does in a sentence. But these particular verbs will be used depending upon its subject, whether the subject is singular and the subject is plural. We have lots of words, but we are going to concentrate on the three given examples of words that I mentioned: play, dance, and move, so that you guys will not be confused and you will be assisted on how to use these verbs in a sentence. Again, I like to say that it is really important for us to know the subject. If the subject is singular, the verb should always be in a singular form. So let's have examples, guys, of a verb, play, used in a sentence with singular subject. Maria plays the ball. Jimmy dances gracefully. Marta moves quickly. So the three given examples you notice is that we use verb with S. It's because our subject is singular. And that is actually a rule. If you have a singular subject, the verb will be added with S, and that becomes already plural. It sounds confusing, but that is our rule. Again, Maria plays around. Marta dances gracefully. We just completed explaining to you guys the use of the singular subject and the singular verb. At this point in time, we will still be using the three words that I gave to you earlier, but we will have the plural subject. The grade 5 students play around. The teachers dance gracefully. The Jacksons move swiftly. As you notice, guys, that it's a bit confusing, but that is really the rule. Once you have the plural subject, the verb next to it should always be plural. So as you notice that in a plural subject, we don't anymore add S. That's why the verbs that we heard didn't actually have S with it. Just like play, dance, and move. That's all, guys. I hope that you learned something from this presentation. A very simple, short, but concise one. This is actually the use of the base form of the verb. And I hope that you will also be able to use this one in your day-to-day undertaking, particularly to improve your communication skills. Once again, this has been Luel Labalde, your friend, your best buddy right here. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and please hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share. This is once again, your friend over here would say goodbye, God bless, and mabuhay.